McLaren is rumored to be shaking up the hybrid supercar market by launching their latest model, the McLaren Artura, which is scheduled to be released in 2025. It is said that the Artura will be the initiator of a new revolution in hybrid car performance by combining advanced technology and iconic aerodynamic design. The Artura is projected to be the successor to the legendary McLaren P1, but with a modern touch and a greater focus on fuel efficiency and low emissions. This car will integrate a petrol engine and electric motor to provide an impressive and responsive combination of power, without sacrificing the sophistication and speed that are the hallmarks of McLaren, with a sophisticated hybrid system. The McLaren Artura is claimed to provide extraordinary performance, with acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h in a very fast time. Rumors also mention that this car will offer a very dynamic driving experience, making it an attractive choice for supercar enthusiasts around the world. The exterior design of the McLaren Artura is believed to retain the aggressive and aerodynamic aesthetics that have become the hallmark of this brand, but with adjustments to optimize aerodynamic efficiency and performance. This will not only beautify the car, but also improve its stability and maneuverability at high speeds. Inside the cabin, the McLaren Artura is said to offer luxury and comfort that matches the performance and technology it offers. With the use of premium materials and the latest entertainment technology, the driving experience with the Artura is expected to be the perfect combination of speed and luxury. Overall, the McLaren Artura is predicted to strengthen McLaren's position as a pioneer in hybrid supercar innovation. With the perfect blend of powerful performance and environmentally friendly technology, this car is expected to attract the attention of supercar enthusiasts around the world and open a new chapter in the evolution of hybrid supercars.